JR Vyas, CMD at Dishman Carbogen, with us. The stock is down 18%. Mr. Vyas, what's happening? Earlier, we got an exchange notification which said that there is a tax query which has come in, or tax raids which have come in. Can you just say what has happened in the last few days?
I see it was a search, so I cannot say about it till there is a statement or by the IT department. All I can say is that we have cooperated fully with them. They have done a comprehensive search, and the only thing I can guess is this was related to a very large royalty and the reduction that we claim every year against this royalty. And beyond that, I cannot give any figure.
Now, Mr. Vyas, the reason for all of this alarm is that day after day, the stock in the last 6 sessions has shaved nearly 42 to 50%. Now, we just want to get a little bit more clarity. Now, we understand that there was suspected, the company as well as the subsidiaries have been suspected to be involved in routing money through accommodation entries. Can you clarify your stance on this?
Madam, they had quite a comprehensive search, and you can ask them when they give the statement, but not any cross-border entry or any accommodation was found by them. And this was, as I told you, was related to a royalty and that we have claimed, and it was a deduction against the royalty. So installment of 90 crore was being deducted and against protest. Of course, they have not agreed, but we are protesting and reserving 90 crore every year in the IT department as our tax exempted money.
Right. Can you just tell us that are the raids over? Are the search and seizure operations now over, or they are still going on?
No, it goes in Ahmedabad city, and all the 4 places the search is completed.
Repeat, I think the audio was not clear.
No, the search was in Ahmedabad and the search is over now.
Over now. Okay. Has this impacted any routine business of the company at this point of time?
None at all. Every day we had the shipments going out, raw materials coming in, the manpower coming in. Nothing was disturbed by them.
Right. Can you just talk to us about, any development that could, that could have led to this 40% stock price? Has there been any development? Is the business going on as usual? Can you just give us some color on that front?
No, all I can say is that this is a legal issue between IT department and us regarding the disallowance of the royalty and our deduction of 90 crore. And it is right now going ahead, and they have not agreed and rather came for a search if they can get some additional ideas.
When we just look at the numbers, would you maintain your 8 to 10% revenue growth guidance, EBITDA margins of 26-28% range?
Absolutely, no issues there.
Right. And what will this be driven by? Ramp up in the commercial supplies?
See, the last 4 months of the company is normally higher, much higher in the revenue, and that we are expecting this year also. So it will be the case, yes.
Okay, give us a sense as to what the outlook is in terms of your growth projections for the CRAMS business in India. What kind of growth do you see?
At least 20%. Why?
And your margin outlook?
Margin outlook, I do not know the number right now because I am in the R&D and production, and here we are giving them same margins as the previous year. So obviously it will match.
Can you just give us a sense within the CRAMS, is oncology now the main focus? At present, how many molecules would be in early phase 3 trials? 15?
There are 6 molecules which we have completed the development, and they have cleared our QA department and our validation trials, etc. So last 3 months there will be you will see the onco molecules, 6 of them coming into the market.
Right, sir. Just a last word again on the business development. Vitamin D, how is the business looking over there? Q1, Q2 was weak. You think that the penetration levels over there are getting higher?
Yeah, vitamin D requires quite a good number of approvals, and we have completed all the approvals, and now we have still not come into the market, but we will be coming into the market from 1st of January, and there will be a significant ramp up.
Right. Just a last word, sir. Again, wanted to clarify the same thing. Since the time IT searches were taking place at Ahmedabad facility, there were some concerns in the market. They are over now. Have you all completely incorporated, given all the data, as well as the business is becoming as usual?
2 things I would like to say. First, it was not a torture at all. It was a very courteous search and cooperative, allowing all our shipments to go out and raw materials to come in. And it is well accepted that IT is the department, government department, which has to search and look for any money which they find due to them, and we have fully cooperated with them.
Mr. Vyas, thank you so much for taking out time for us, telling us what are the latest developments, and again clarifying that you will maintain your guidance. The business continues to be as usual at this point of time. However, the stock is down 19%, and as we have been talking and taking a note of the stock I think is down about 45% in the last few days on the concerns probably of this IT department search and